How to share multiple responses in the same Instagram story. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to share multiple responses in the same Instagram story. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. For that, go ahead and open up your Instagram. Once you've opened up, what you can do is you can head over the story that you have posted the questions to, and where you will be finding your responses. So when you go to this activity after you have posted this ask a question, you'll be finding all of your responses right here. So in order to add multiple responses in a single story, what you need to do is go ahead and tap on one of the responses and then go ahead and tap on this share response. Once selected, you can place it above so that you can post multiple responses in a single one. After that, tap on click, and once that is done, go ahead and let me just change the color of the background first, and you can just go ahead and save up this picture into your gallery. After it is saved, what you can do is head over to another response, this one right here, second response, and go to share response again. And this time what you're going to do is go to this photo section where we saved the picture and select up the previous response. After that, you can place it right below where you'll be finding like this. And then from now on, you're going to repeat the process. And let me just show you what happens after you repeat it. So here, once you've placed all of your responses here and answered to all of the questions, what you can do is after you've adjusted everything, you can just post it on your story. And there you go. That's how you post up multiple responses in a single story by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.